You can check out full 2010 election coverage by going to our website, fox16.com. All you have to do is click on the You Decide tab. You'll find it right there on the left-hand side.
An Arkadelphia mother says she will plead not guilty to harassment charges against her teenage son. The 16-year-old says she hacked into his Facebook account and slandered him. Fox 16's Brent Solomon is live with this latest in a Fox 16 follow-up. Hi, Brent.
Hi, guys. This is a case that comes down to several issues. What rights do a parent have, and what rights do a child have? And then, are those lines blurred when the child doesn't live with his parent?
When I just started putting my foot down at dangerous behavior, it just kind of all turned upside down in a heartbeat.
Denise New is at odds with her 16-year-old son who filed harassment charges against her. In this arrest warrant, the teen accuses her of hacking into his Facebook account, changing the password to his email, and, quote, posting things that involve slander.
I posted on his wall no more than 4 posts. And then...
Were you aware that all of his friends could see whatever you posted?
Yeah.
Okay.
I posted raising teenagers is like trying to nail Jell-O to a tree. I was just trying to make him see the error of his ways and, you know, let him know that things that he posts on there have dire consequences, could, you know, affect his future.
The law with regard to the issues here are fairly clear.
University of Arkansas at Little Rock law professor Michael Flannery says a parent has that right. Only problem, New does not have custody of her son. He lives with his grandmother.
If the mother doesn't have custody, legal custody, there certainly is a case that she has no right to invade his privacy on Facebook.
He's a teenager, he doesn't know any better, and, you know, he does need some guidance.
Now, I called the Clark County Prosecutor's Office today. They are not releasing the nature of those alleged Facebook comments because they say a minor is involved. Meanwhile, New's attorney says he hasn't seen a case like this in the 22 years he's practiced law. She's set to appear in court May 12th. Live in the Information Center, Brent Solomon, Fox 16 News.
It's a toughie, and of course he hasn't seen a case like this. Facebook is still so new,
right.
You know, for something like this to happen. Now, I mean, I have to ask you this question. I almost think I know the answer, but I'm just wondering, we know New doesn't have custody of her son, but does she have a decent relationship with him? Can they just talk about this maybe?
Donna, it appears who you asked because obviously he's, you know, filing these charges against her. But she says they had a good relationship. She even says that her son has his own room at her home and that they talked about coming to him living with her. But he said he didn't want to because his grandmother would be all by herself.
Maybe she should talk with the grandmother. I don't know. All right, we'll keep following it.
Yeah.
If you have something to say about this story or any other story on Fox 16,